Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Mitsubishi Outlander versus Toyota Highlander. We'll explore how these two popular three-row SUVs stack up against each other. The Outlander is generally considered a compact SUV, while the Highlander falls into the midsize category. Despite their size differences, both vehicles aim to provide ample space and utility for families, offering seating for up to 7 or 8 passengers, depending on the configuration. When it comes to performance, the Highlander typically offers more power with its 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, providing 265 horsepower. The Outlander, with its 2.5-liter engine, delivers 181 horsepower. However, the Outlander often takes the lead in fuel efficiency, achieving up to 27 combined miles per gallon, compared to the Highlander's 25 combined miles per gallon. Both SUVs also offer capable all-wheel drive systems for enhanced traction. Inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and technology. The Outlander surprisingly offers slightly more second-row legroom at 39.9 inches, compared to the Highlander's 38.7 inches. You'll find modern infotainment systems and digital displays in both. Furthermore, each vehicle comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety and driver assist features, such as blind spot monitoring and forward collision mitigation, to help keep you and your passengers safe. Considering value, the Outlander often boasts a lower starting manufacturer's suggested retail price, making it an attractive option. It also stands out with an impressive 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, offering long-term peace of mind. The Highlander provides a strong reputation for reliability. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize power, efficiency, or specific features. Also, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.